I just started a Ko-Fi page. It's ko-fi.com/miniaturegold. Feel free to donate whatever amount you are comfortable with. And I really appreciate that. Hey, what's going on? This is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to set up the music player in Mix-it-up. You would use the music player in Mix-it-up as opposed to like YouTube, because if you're not paying for like YouTube Premium, sometimes you'll get ads and that could be annoying. So, yeah, if you don't want to pay for YouTube Premium, then use the music player that is on and Mix-it-up. Having said that, you will have to make sure that the music is on your computer. If it isn't, then you won't be able to play it, because Mix-it needs a folder on your computer to reference to get the music from. Something else you should be very aware of is this tutorial does not cover how to play music that is like DMCA free. Whether your music is DMCA free is up to you to make sure you're doing so. All the music I listen to is video game music, which is typically okay on Twitch. If you want to learn how to make it so that your music does not go to the VOD, we can talk about that in another tutorial, but this tutorial will not cover that. So make sure that your music that you're playing on stream is safe for stream, or you already know how to make it so that it doesn't go to the VOD, or on your YouTube video after it's published. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you to do that. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk with me about Twitch, Mix-it-up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, first of all, let's check the version that I'm on. I'm on version 1.2.0.12. Okay, now we'll go to the menu in the top left. We'll go to commands. I have a command called music. Okay. Yeah, and again, the trigger is also music, and we'll say lowercase music. It's usable by myself. Oh, you know what? It's usable by anybody. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change that to streamer. If I can find it. Streamer and moderator. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be a series of conditionals. This should actually be at the top. That's the most important one, is start. So click on this drop down where it says action, click on conditional, press the plus sign, and in here we have $argw1 text equals start. So that means, let me make this bigger. Let me zoom it in a bit. So if I type in !music start, it will start the music. I'll show you how that works after I explain how it's set up. Okay, so you've got 3 music player actions and 1 chat message action. So click on the drop down within the conditional. Click on music player, add it. For the first one, you're selecting the folder. So music player has a bunch of actions within it, and so choose change folder, and I set this to where my music is. So something you might be wondering is, why are you setting up your command as !music space play, or whatever other like command you have there? That's because in my case, I have multiple folders. You have to tell the music player which folder to pull from when you're playing the music, and in my case, I have 2 basic folders. I have like a hype folder and I have a chill folder. If I feel this is the chill music, then instead of typing in !music and then like play, pause, next, previous, whatever, I'll type in !chill, play, pause, start, stop, whatever. So that's how I like choose like different folders for music. Is chill will source from a different folder than my exclamation point music command. Your second action will be stop. So that means if you're playing any other music right now, it's going to stop that music, and it's going to play that music that is in the folder right now. Then your third music player action, play. Play what is the current selected folder. And then for your chat message, I say now playing : $ music player display. And that's going to show everybody in chat what music is playing right now, according to whatever information is on that file, the music file. So I'm going to clear my chat and I'll show you. Okay, let's go exclamation music start. Okay, so you got the music is playing and you got the now playing information here. I'm going to pause the music. Okay, why don't we look at that next? Why don't we look at pause and play? So pause. Okay, so again, it's conditional. $arg1 text equals pause. Within the conditional, select music player right here. And then set that to pause, and it'll pause music like I did just there. Now if I type in exclamation music play, it'll play the music from where it left off. Okay, now for play, it's the same thing as this. You have the conditional arg1 text equals $arg1 text equals play. Music player is set to the play action now instead of the pause. Okay. And then we have previous and next. So if you want to hear the last song, go previous. If you want to hear the next song, you want to skip what the current song is, go to next. So $arg1 text equals prev. Select the music player action. Select the previous action within music player. And then for the chat message, put now playing : $music player display. So it shows what the song you're going to is, the previous song. So let's test that out. I'll press, I'll go exclamation point music play again. We'll go to the next song. Okay, we'll go previous. Prev. And we're back to the last one we were at. I'm going to pause it. Okay, now let's look at next. Again, same idea. Conditional $arg1 text equals next. Within the conditional music player action, set it to next. And again, now playing : $music displayer $music player display. And you saw me use next, it worked. The last action we're going to look at is stop. Now, stop is different from pause because if you press play after you've paused the music, it's going to start from the beginning of the last song you were on. So let me type in exclamation point music play. So I stopped it. Exclamation point music play again. And starting over again. Okay, again, very easy. Conditional $arg1 text equals stop. And then music player action within this and set it to stop. And that is it. That is how you set up a music command within Mixitup. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I hope everything made sense. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful and want to see more Mixitup tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you'd like to talk with me on Twitch about like gaming, Twitch, Mixitup, or life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold, and thank you for watching. All right, adios.